Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is your Friday going? Mine is great. From the morning, I have been indulging in Drunk Elephant sugared coffee. That's the new product. Today I got it and I was super excited, as I was saying in my short video, that something is coming and I will be super pumped up about this product. Super excited to try this product today, and this is going to be my first impression, but guys, this one is amazing. I just love it already, and of course you will get to know more in near future, but for now I'll just tell you that it just smells delicious and it's the perfect recipe for baby bouncy skin. Today I just wanted to apply it the moment it came. The main ingredients: coffee seed oil, sucrose, and almond milk, and it just smells like crushed almonds to me. And the moment I opened it, this is a big jar, as you can see. It has got 270 ml, 9 ounces of product, and it's a big tub. Sturdy packaging, and Drunk Elephant packaging is top notch. I just love the way it feels and looks. So this is the packaging, and it was just like this. Okay, and of course I opened it, and the product looks like that. It is crushed almond and coffee bean extract, and of course mixed with coffee seed oil. It just gives you a creamy feel, and I was a little bit intrigued about the product. I am very happy about Drunk Elephant products because I have been using couple of them, but this one I wanted to try it. The most interesting part, when I scooped it out, I was thinking that I don't know whether it will be sticking or it will just fall apart, because it is a little bit like that, sugary kind of feel, as you can see. So to my surprise, I just scooped it out with a cinnamon stick, and then I started applying it, and gently the scrubbing and exfoliation, everything happened. The most surprising element is it properly lathers and it properly scrubs. It just buffs the dead skin away, and after that I just felt that, it was so amazing that first time I just felt that I was putting on some rich creamy moisturizer, because the moment it started buffing out the dead skin, the baby soft skin, the layer of that just appeared, and it was beautiful, plumped up. After you use it, you will feel that you are getting a baby kissable cheek-like feeling on your skin. And I'm very impressed with the product. It smells heavenly. It is very nutty, and the moment you apply it, you feel that you are in almond land, because it just smells and feels exactly like that. So whatever it claims, it does. So it has got the moisturizing properties, it has got that scrubbing properties. So that's how it works. I think that sums it all. My skin, of course, felt very shiny, glossy, glowy, dewy, and plumped up. So, and of course, firmness. I could experience the firmness in my skin almost instantly. So that's why I just took a little bit of it, first scoop of it, and it lathered beautifully. Then I couldn't stop myself and I went ahead for 2 more, and it just is an amazing spa kind of feeling. So whenever you are into that mood that you want an extra rich treatment for your body and your skin, I think this is a must have. It is going to be on my top shelf of skincare. It is really richly moisturizing product. It's a scrub, you're going to wash it away, but it will leave that skin behind, which would be your dream skin. So of course I recommend this product. This is my first impression, but it has got just that right tone for me, what I expect from a scrub. It has got that perfect balance of moisture and perfect balance of that what do you say, perfect balance of exfoliants. So it has got that perfect balance of moisture and exfoliants that would definitely impress you if you give it a chance. So yeah, I am really impressed, and of course I'm going to try more and more from Drunk Elephant because it's clean beauty at Sephora. It actually supports International Elephant Foundation, and that's really cool. So I just love the product, love the brand, love the packaging, and of course what it promises, it delivers. That's really something. So highly recommend. You got to feel it. You got to feel the smell of it. You got to feel the texture of it, and you got to feel the after effects of it, and then you will know. And if you have already tried it, I want to know your experience, how you felt, because I am really into it now. So I really like sugared coffee from Drunk Elephant. Turned my Friday to a spa Friday. Really loving it and going to use it over the weekends as well. I know, because now it's hard for me to stop using this product. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting and subscribing. Please leave your thoughts on this product and any product that you like from Drunk Elephant. Be specific about that because I'm really into it. I have already used the Lala Retro and F Balm, yeah, water facial mask. Also I'm using that Peptide Rally sample which I posted a short video on. Definitely check that out, and if you want me to cover that, I could do that because I'm really enjoying that product too, using it every single day, night and day. And of course come back on Monday to see some star red lipsticks of the season. I'm wearing one which is one of my favorites, period, all-time favorites. This is Soma saying bye to you. Have a relaxed weekend because I am going to have a relaxed one. See you.